Hi there, nail art enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of eco-chic nail design, featuring the color green as our star. We have got some fantastic ideas line up, so jump right in. Green and blue with sticker. You see this design, how much beautiful design. And second, green and black. Next, we are going bold with green and black. This combo exudes sophistication and edge, whether it's night out on the town or a special event. These nails will make a statement. Please support me, subscribe my channel for new updates. Segment 3, green and blue nail design. We could not get enough of green and blue. So here's different take on this fantastic duo. It's like a refreshing deep in the ocean, cool, calm, and utterly beautiful nail design. Green and rose. Moving on, we are introducing a touch of romance with green and rose. This elegant combination is perfect for wedding date nights or whenever you want to feel extra special. Design, and make sure you like it. Design, please support me, subscribe my channel. Green and orange. Get ready for some zest with our green and orange nails. It's vibrant and energetic look that will brighten up your day, perfect for summer vibes. Green and aqua. Last but not least, we are cooling things down the green and aqua. This shooting combination is like a tranquil ocean for your nails, perfect for those moments when you need to relax and rewind. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more nail art inspiration. Thanks for joining us today. We will see you in the next video.